Hello. Some teachers might wish to create a more colorful page in Teams for their students. This shown here is one such page. I will be showing how to create one like it. You can add more elements to the page, but in this tutorial, I will only show you how to add some basic links. In your browser's address bar, write office.com. After entering your email address and password, you are taken to your Office 365 page. From the tools on the left, choose SharePoint. Click on Create Site. I suggest that you use the option on the right. Later, you can decide which classes you want to share this page with. Choose blank from here. Give the new site a name. Click on the Finish button. Click on Edit here. Click on the plus button. You are presented with many options. We will see some of them in another tutorial. For this tutorial, we will use the Call to Action option. Change the text in this black box. Click here to edit the button label. Click the Change button to change the banner background. Search and choose from the provided options. Now, we need to add the button link. We will get that from our team. Open Teams in the online version and not the desktop app. Choose your class. For the first link, click on Assignments. Now, copy the link from the address bar. Paste the link here. Click on the plus button. Choose Call to Action again. Repeat the same procedure as we did with the assignment link for the files and notebook links. Click on Republish. Click on Share here. Look up the classes you want to give access to. You can opt to send them a notification by email, or you can simply untick this option. Click on the Share button. Copy the page address here. Now open your class team and click on the plus button. Search for SharePoint pages and click on the icon. Click on this link. Paste the page address here. Now we can rename the tab from here.